What's up guys, in this lesson we're gonna learn how to do a variable product as we did our simple product last lesson. And a variable product is a product with different colors and sizes and has many specs. You can do that from the WooCommerce plugin or from here, new and product. This shortcut is very nice if you're going to do many products and you want to save some time, or even from the WooCommerce. It doesn't take much. Now we're gonna give the product a name. Let's give it a name, fancy jacket, for example, just a plain name. Now we're gonna put a description, dummy text, large one, and here we're gonna put the small or the shorter description in the bottom. And here we're gonna choose variable product. If you have a SKU number, put it. If you wanna manage the stock and tell the people about the stock you have inserted, and if you wanna sell it individually, choose that one. Now let's go to shipping. First, let's put the image for the product. I'm gonna pick that gray jacket, and let's put a gallery. It's not the same one, but like for the sake of the example. Now adding a category, suits. This is a new one. And product tags, jackets, and suits. Now in the shipping, we're gonna put weight for the jacket and any dimensions. If you have a specific one, please put accurate numbers. And link products, we're gonna do that later, how to link products to our products. Let's go to attributes, and here we're gonna add attribute. You can do that from either here or on the left side in the dashboard. Now we're gonna put color used for variations, mark that one, and put your variations in here and separate them with the mark above the enter, that mark like I above the enter. Don't know what it's called. If you know, leave that in the comments. And we're gonna add that. I'm gonna add another attribute as well. Now we have the color. Let's go add the size. We're gonna write small, medium, and large. Now we have three attributes, 3 for colors and 3 for size. Don't forget to check on used for variation and save attributes. Then go to variations, and from that create variations from all attributes. Yes, confirm that. Create all variations from all attributes. Now we're gonna have 9 variations, 3 colors by 3 sizes. You're gonna have like 9 variations. Three for gray, 3 for dark blue, 3 for black. Now let's start with the gray small. If you have a SKU number, put that one for it. And here you put the price, and it's very important to put the price in all variations, otherwise it's not gonna work. So make sure you don't forget that thing. You can, and if you want to put it in sale, you can do that. You can make sale on the small size if you would like to. Now you're gonna put the weight and dimensions, and if you have variation description, you can insert that. In here, and we're gonna close it, and we're gonna make it a picture. Let's choose that one, and we have the default form value. As you can see, we can make it on gray medium. That's what the visitor is gonna see as a default when they visit that product. To the medium and do the same, pick the same image and SKU if you have, give it the same price, give it a price 300, the same, and weight, dimensions. If you have a description for the variation, you can go ahead and type it in here and close that one. Go into the large, giving the price, the most important part of that. Weight and dimensions. Let's go for the dark blue. Expand that one and big that one. Big that picture, for example. The picture. I'm gonna give the price again. Weight, dimensions. And let's go for the large one. Same picture. And start filling the price. For the large one, we can make this one more expensive. Maybe for 400. And the other thing, if it's downloadable, you can check that one. If it's virtual product, if you want to manage the stock, you can do that in here as well. Let's close. And now starting with the black, let's make that black jacket for demonstration purpose. And variation, we're gonna make the black the most expensive one. We're gonna make it 500, and we're gonna do that for all sizes to increase the variations until it's so flexible. You can do multiple variation for sizes and colors, even with the price. You're not stuck with the same price. And actually many brands do that. They sell the some colors in much expensive way, or even sizes. Actually, this process is quite easy. It's not hard. It might seem quite complicated or something like that, but it needs you to be focused. You're gonna fill every part, putting the image, putting the price, putting the dimensions, and it could be quite annoying at the beginning, but like this is the way it's done. Now we're dealing with only 3 variations and 3 colors. Imagine you can use more sizes and more colors. It's gonna be quite stressful, but you do it just for once and you can sell that for 24 hours. Your store is online, and if you're gonna sell that product for a long while, you're done with that. You do it for the first time and then you sit back and relax. We're gonna publish our product now and view product from here. Now it's published. As you can see, the default one is gray medium, as we choose that one, and we can start seeing the other variations we made. We have the dark blue and the black. For example, for the dark blue, medium and small, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna try the large one. We made that one in 400, as you can see, and it's telling me the price is starting from 300 to 500. So because like we have the black jacket in 500 for the category suits, and for tags, jackets and suits, and it's joining the watch in the standing out products. As you can see, the black jacket is in 500. That was our variable product. So easy, but could take a little while. Hope that was clear for you. It needs to be applied instantly. If you saw that lesson, your active task is to go make a variable product. Maybe one like that, or even different with more variations, or even your future products you're gonna sell on your website. That was Khalil Ibrahim. See you in next lesson and have a great one. Bye.